all. My name is Preksha Dwara. I am studying second class in Montessori Smart School.
Good morning to all. My name is Nishita. I am studying second class in Montessori Smart School.
Today we are discussing states and capitals. Andhra Pradesh,
Amravati,
Arunachal Pradesh,
Itanagar,
Assam,
Dispur,
Bihar,
Patna,
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur,
Goa,
Panaji,
Gujarat,
Gandhinagar,
Haryana,
Chandigarh,
Himachal Pradesh,
Shimla,
Jharkhand,
Ranchi,
Karnataka,
Bangalore,
Kerala,
Thiruvananthapuram,
Madhya Pradesh,
Bhopal,
Maharashtra,
Mumbai,
Manipur,
Impal,
Meghalaya,
Shillong,
Mizoram,
Aizawl,
Nagaland,
Kohima,
Odisha,
Bhubaneswar,
Rajasthan,
Jaipur,
Sikkim,
Gangtok,
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai,
Telangana,
Hyderabad,
Tripura,
Agartala,
Uttar Pradesh,
Lucknow,
Uttarakhand,
Dehradun,
West Bengal.
Kolkata.
Thank you.